Despite the controversy which has surrounded the idea of an embargo, the people of Haiti would like to repeat yes to an embargo. Let there be finally a real, complete and total embargo. Let us have a real, total and complete embargo at last. Secondly, let us put a stop to the flood of new weapons being pumped continually into Haiti. Thirdly, if a total blockade is required to achieve this, the Haitian people will welcome it. Mr. President, dear friends of the international community, for all those efforts which you have already made and for the support which you intend to give us, may I thank you from the bottom of my heart. 1 year is too long, 12 months is too long. Haiti towards democracy. Despite the control